from our stop near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, from our house in Virginia, but we left Pittsburgh this morning, 5 hours, and we are here at the Renegade factory where our RV was born. We're very excited. We've never been to Indiana before, and this is our first stop. So there's a plant here and a plant here, and there's a bunch of RVs parked there, and it's just a beautiful day. We're just so glad to be here. There's our baby. And we don't have that other baby, that whiny dog baby, but we're having fun. See you soon. Shipshewana, Indiana, at the Shipshewana South Park campgrounds, and we've been here for a few days. The weather's really lovely. It's our first time in Indiana, and we have a clubhouse over there with showers and bathrooms, and when you first come in, there's a car wash and an office with a little store, and it's been pretty nice. A lot of Amish buggies around, and it's a great place.